Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're reviewing the BOMATA Large Kitchen Scale, which is undoubtedly one of the best gram scales out there, offering an impressive 0.001 grams accuracy. If you're someone who bakes frequently or needs precision for your culinary creations, you'll definitely want to stick around for this review. The BOMATA Large Kitchen Scale has a sleek, modern design and boasts a high-precision sensor that ensures measurements are accurate down to the finest detail, with 0.1 grams increments. This level of accuracy, combined with its 5 kilograms capacity, makes it perfect for a wide variety of uses, from food prep to baking, and even for more delicate tasks like measuring herbs or spices. One of the standout features of this scale is its full-view angle LCD display with backlighting. It's easy to read from any angle, making it a great tool to have in your kitchen, especially if you're working in low light. Whether you're measuring ingredients or weighing items, you'll have a clear, precise reading every time. The BOMATA scale comes with a stainless steel pan that's durable and simple to clean, ensuring you don't have to worry about the mess when you're done. The large 7.2 by 7.2 inch platform is perfect for weighing large items, and with the hold function, you can still get accurate readings even if the item exceeds the scale's size, which is incredibly helpful for weighing bulky items like bread or cake mixtures. The scale also features a percentage function, which is a huge advantage for bakers. This feature allows you to weigh ingredients based on their percentage of the total weight, so there's no need for complex calculations. It streamlines the process, saving you time and effort while improving your baking precision. What's also fantastic about this scale is its versatility when it comes to powering it. You can either use two AAA batteries or, for more convenience, rely on the built-in rechargeable lithium battery. This means you're always ready to use your scale without worrying about changing the batteries. The BOMATA scale comes with some excellent extras, including a 100 grams calibration weight, which ensures your scale is always providing accurate readings. You also get a large transparent box for easier weighing and a USB cable for recharging the battery. If you're looking for a high-precision scale with reliable performance, a solid design, and useful features like the percentage function, then the BOMATA Large Kitchen Scale is a great choice. It's not only accurate but also convenient and durable, perfect for any home kitchen or bakery. That wraps up our review of the BOMATA Large Kitchen Scale. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more product reviews from Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.